Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up shortcut to voice access using our volume up and down buttons in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up our shortcut, we have to go to Settings, then we are looking for Accessibility menu here, and under Advanced Settings we have our shortcut. First of all, let's move this button. Volume up and down buttons. Right now, as you can see, we have assistant menu button. We don't want it as a shortcut, we want our voice access. Yes, allow. And let's see if our shortcut is working. So volume up and volume down for 3 seconds. And as you can see, our voice access is now enabled. Our shortcut is working. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.